It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're all having a great day. Welcome into our home. Hope you enjoy our video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Today we're working with a 14 by 14 white canvas that we put more white paint on with a couple of drops of the treadmill silicone oil. We're gonna do a swipe, hopefully.
Hopefully. Stripe swipe.
Yeah, a stripe swipe.
Not to be confused with a Florida swipe.
That's true. Ooh, that's what I should have done. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to start here. We're going to do diagonal. Oh,
Ta-da!
Okay, your turn. Right alongside it, touching almost. This way, towards you. There you go. I'm going to go along this side first, then we'll go to that side?
Whatever you want to do.
Okay, we'll try that then. Are you letting yours go over the side?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, I did on this side.
Okay, I get it right
Sorry.
here for you, no problem.
You didn't do the gold on this side. Oops.
Right there.
This is teamwork.
Teamwork. Okay, look at that.
I'm trying to keep them in the order that we're doing them in case we decide we want to do the other side the same way.
Oh, I got you, got you. So, okay, wasn't it my turn?
No, you did the purple.
Oh, I thought you did the purple. I thought you did the yellow.
I did the yellow.
Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see now. Oh, you do this one?
Yep. Some of these bottles are hard.
The hard?
Yeah. Just like you gotta really squeeze them and others aren't.
Which way are we going now? This way?
Yep.
Okay.
Guess we will probably use them all, huh?
These are all metallic paints. They're all metallic color shifts or flash paints. Which way you going now?
It goes like that. Okay, so put that one up there.
Oh, I
Start
got
that
you,
way.
got you. That's a copper color, that's pretty color.
Oh, that one was already used.
What?
Right there.
What the heck is there? How did we get back in line? this
Did
one.
I get the side?
Yep.
Oh boy. Okay, go ahead. Probably should have had that one.
I didn't think that blue would be good next to the purple.
No, I know, but I got two.
No, it's something in the middle. At the end,
Yeah,
now we're going to repeat, huh?
I guess so.
Guess we should have done both sides at the same time. We're going to have to put the bottles down twice.
Is it on the side there? Sorry.
It is.
Thank you.
Yeah, the yellow one.
Okay,
Well, I must have.
I think it's just one more color.
There we go. Okay. And now we just spin it around, start on the other side. So
This color?
that color gonna be. Hold on a second. We have
Wanna put a little more gold?
yeah, because
Okay.
it looks awfully thin in the middle. Okay. You're doing a good, nice and straight there. We need another stripe one. We need another stripe one. What the hell?
You compliment me and then I mess up all the rest of the way. Which one does that come from? Behind this one?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Okay, so next is this one.
No, I don't think so.
Blue. Oh, you got green next to it. Oh, we do use the green twice, remember?
Alright.
That's right, we use the green twice. Oh, easy.
Did it go over?
Big squeeze. Oh, yeah. You actually almost don't have to squeeze them. What color comes next? Green, red. This one?
Red again?
No. Which one is it? Green, bright red. Where's that bright red one? This one?
Right there. And then we go the copper.
Oh,
We
I
were
see,
supposed
I
to go
see.
that way, but we kind of messed up a little bit. Oh yeah, because you used the green twice, remember?
We're using that green again?
Well, yeah,
That
because
green
that's
doesn't
what's
go
there.
No, it doesn't.
Yes,
No, how
green.
about this color here?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
Uh-huh. What I'm telling you.
No.
What?
Yep. Go ahead.
Oh. What
Hold on.
the heck kind of line is that?
I have to squeeze it. You told me that I don't have to squeeze it, but I have to squeeze it.
Really?
It doesn't
I just
come out.
run, look at it.
Yeah, but-
I'm not squeezing the thing, I'm just holding the
I
bottle.
know, but I can't do it that way. I don't know why.
I don't know why either. He didn't get in here. Oh, it's running down. It's running down. This one just runs out and then have to.
Oh, that wasn't supposed to go next. Blue with blue. It's supposed to be yellow. That's all
How
right.
the hell are you looking there?
We had to put it there because you said you didn't want two blues being next to each other. Don't you remember?
Was it more than 5 minutes ago? Okay.
Okay.
What comes after the yellow? This one?
Do the bronze again. Do the gold.
Gold.
Okay, then it's this one.
What,
Oh, wait,
did you
wait,
give
wait,
up or what?
No, I'm just trying to follow it, so.
Okay.
Okay, now it's the green. And that's the yellow. Then it's the purple.
Oh, the same thing I did last time with the purple ones. I dragged it in the yellow.
It's the blue.
And
then it's.
Is it this one?
It looks like it's this one.
Yeah, I think you're right. Okay, now. Oh, that's a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 14 by 14, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do a swipe here. Hopefully it'll come out good.
4 paper towel swipe.
All pretty colors on the sides here.
Okay, you know what you gotta do? You gotta keep the canvas from
Sliding.
sliding to me. I'm gonna pull towards me, right?
Okay.
Okay, spin the canvas right around. There we go.
Hold on. I gotta get my.
You got it?
I got it. Ta-da!
Wowee. Oh, you can see those cells popping up. Oh, there you go again.
No, I'm not gonna keep it.
You're not keeping it?
No,
I
'cause
usually keep it and name them.
you smushed it. Do you want to put a little something there or no? Just leave it like that. That's okay that way, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, let's set a little bit here before we
Okay.
hit it with the.
Wow. Cool.
It is really cellular. Wowee.
Cellular, man.
You did a
Cellular.
great job. I like this. I like the sides too, the way the sides are on the side. See the side?
Oh yeah, but they're not that way all over.
Oh, how come?
I don't know.
Oh, it's this side are. That's
Yeah.
okay.
That's because you swiped from that side.
Well, I
and
can
swiped from that
take
side.
that rag and do that.
There it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Ay.
Oh no, it's all mush now.
Okay, it's much just the color we want, right?
Don't get it onto the.
Rotate it. That's it. Oh, no,
Sorry.
Okay, stop.
Did you get it?
I think I did.
Wanna
Hold
just
on, right
get-
here.
Oh, you gotta get there too.
Let's see. I think that's
Here,
it.
here, right there in the corner there. See it?
I do. Okay.
UDA.
Wowee. There's Must be a million cells there. As long as we can do it not catch it on fire, I guess we're okay. What do you think?
I think it's good. What do you think?
I think there's a lot of cells involved there.
I think you're right. Just clearing up the drips that are dripping down down there.
Wow.
Cool.
Yeah,
All right.
very nice.
Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. That was definitely couples painting together. We used all metallics and color shift paints. Hopefully it'll come out as pretty as it looks right now. It's really nice. I really like it.
The only thing that wasn't color shift was the white on the bottom.
Right. Yep. So thanks for coming into our house and watching our video. Well, you didn't really come into our house. We were in the house and you watched us. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Hey, you don't have any facts of the day?